Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got the VIP box, as you can see, from Sparkle Splash UK for July. This is the information for the brand if you haven't come across it before or seen any of my previous Sparkle Splash UK videos. Anyway, let's get straight into it because I'm so excited to see what's in here. Try not to wreck it in the process. There we go. So you usually get quite a mixture of products, which is really good, like glitters, foil, stickers, that sort of thing, which is really handy if you're wanting to build your collection of nail art. So this is a list of everything that comes in here. So everything all together, if you were to buy it individually when it goes on general sale, which is the 7th of September, would be £13.75, but these boxes are £12.99, and you can use my 15% off discount code, which hopefully I'll remember to put up here somewhere, for 15% off. So it make it even less than that, so you're getting even more for your money. But let's go through all these products and show you what there is. I'll leave it on screen for a second so you can pause it if you want, if you need to come back to it to see how much things will be in the future. But like I said, everything will be on the website in September. So first things first, we've got this beautiful glitter that's caught my eye. This is a glitter called Vegas Nights. Has it got large pieces in it? Yeah, so it's a chunky mixed glitter. It's got large pieces, large hexes and medium. You can see some up here, look. These large pieces are metallic silver and like a really dark navy blue. And then the same coloured mixes. The same colour are in the smaller mixes as well. Like the fine glitter is, I think there's just silver. The fine, no there isn't. No, blue. Yeah, they're all the same two colours. So metallic silver and metallic blue, just in different sizes. So that is beautiful. That'd be nice for New Year actually. I love that one. And then next up we've got one on the complete opposite end of the spectrum of colour. We've got this pale pink, which is called Dreamer. I absolutely love ones like this. Like fine glitters, when you're a gel only tech like I am, are so easy to use and encapsulate and do, well, use in whatever sort of way you want. Obviously there's so many different ways to apply glitter, and fine glitter is definitely the easiest. And then we've got a foil which is called Rainbow, and it goes from red, purple, blue to turquoise at the bottom. Just trying to get that on camera, but it's difficult to capture all the colours. But it is absolutely stunning. And then we've got some stickers. These are different, and I definitely don't have anything like this, which is exciting. It's nice to get something different when your collection is so big, because it is really tricky when you have so much stuff to find things that you don't have any of already. Look at these. Perfect for like an under the sea sort of style set. Very pretty. I love the effects on there, so nice. I like the backing as well, that it's like a cloudy one, because it looks better in folders and stuff when I store them than the clear ones, because the clear ones on top of each other just look a bit hectic. Now we've got two products left. We've got a pigment and some mylar. I'm excited for the mylar because it's called, I'm hoping it takes after the glitter from Sparkle Splash UK that has this name. There is a glitter called Mint Crisp, and it is absolutely beautiful. I do have it, it's stunning. So I'm hoping that this mylar is the same as that, but mylar instead, because I love that glitter. It is. It's exactly the same. I absolutely love it. So as you can see, it's like rose gold, like a turquoise teal and white flakes. Beautiful. And then last but not least, we've got a pigment which is called Chameleon Fire. Just tapping the top to make sure it's hopefully not all stuck up to the lid. Wow, that is beautiful. I don't know if you can really capture how stunning that is on camera, but it is really stunning. In fact, let's try and separate a little bit. Maybe if I put my flash on. No, it doesn't look any different. You just have to take my word for it that it is absolutely beautiful. But it's like two-tonal. You can see it more in the lid here, even though it's not focused. When you wobble the lid a bit, you can see that there's two different sort of sides to it. It's stunning. So yeah, that's everything you get in this box, and like I said, super good value if you want to build your collection, or even if you've got a big collection like me and you just like to have a surprise every month. So we've got Mylar, we've got some pigment, we've got some stickers, we've got a fine glitter, a chunky glitter and a foil, all for that amount of money. And like I said, you can get 15% off, so it's definitely a bargain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!